All right, this is going to be a lesson on the sounds of silence by Simon and Garfunkel. So we're going to have a capo on the 6th fret. And then we're going to start out with this 2 open open, 2 on the G string and opens on the bottom 2 strings. Okay, so we do that 4 times. We did 2 times for the intro, and then he starts singing, and we have 2 more times. So singing. Then we're going to switch to this thing kind of based on a D chord. Open in 3, open on the G string, to 3 on the B string, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3. So 0, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3. So all together we got singing. We do that all again. Now we have a new one, 2, 4, and this is 2 to the little open, little string open. 2 open, 4 open, 5 open, 4 open. Now the second time I think it goes down to that 2nd fret. That's what I saw on a tab. Could either be that same thing twice, 2, 4, 5, 4, twice, or you could go 2, 4, 5, 4, 2, 4, 5, 2, and that kind of leads into the what's coming up next. So let's look at all of that again. We got 2, singing, D shape, do it again. Now we get 2, 4, 5, 4, 2, 4, 5, 2. And now we're going to move to this new thing. This is kind of like an F shape here. 2, 1, and 1. We do that 1 time. So 3rd string, 1st, 2nd, and 1st. And then we're going to switch to open, 1, and open. And do the same pattern. So we got. And then we have. So 1, open, 1, back to open. And then back to this little C shape. Then we're going to come back to this. So that's a measure of 6/4 if you look in the tab. We got 2, 1, 1, 1, open, open, 1, open, and then that little riff there, 1, open, 1, open. So let's look at all what we got so far. Verse starts, D shape, 2, 4, 5, 4, 2 new shapes, now we have a new part. So that was 2, 1, 1, 1, and then 3 here on the 3rd string, to the little string 1, to the 2 to 1. So we do that twice. And then we move to the C shape and do that 3 to 2 there. And then we come into a little C shape, A minor shape, C shape. And that's that other bar of 6/4 that's in the tab, you'll see. Now we're going to come to this D shape again, but we're going to go open, 4, 2, open. So that's a little different than the open 2, 4, 2. So open, 4, 2, open, 2, 4, 5, 4. Hit a little chord there with the 2, open, open on the bottom 3. So let's look at when we start bringing in this new shape here. We're going to have and then we've got the 3, 2, do it again, 3, 2, C shape, 3, 2, and then C, A minor, C, D, but a little different ending riff here. So let's play it from the very beginning, nice and slow here. 2, 3, 4. And then the verse, and then D, and again, 2, 4, 5, 4. Ends on a 2, F, C, F, C, F, with the 3, 2, and again to the C, 3, 2, and then C, A minor, C, back to D, Okay, then we're going to get into the second verse. So this is going to be a G chord. And your basic strum is like down, down, up, up, down, up. So we're going to do 2 bars of G. Check out your tab on this to follow along on this. There's a lot of tricky changes and spots where they add a couple of beats here and there, make a chord go a little longer to add some lyrics to it or for kind of emotional effect, you know. So here goes verse 2, starting with G. 3, 4. Going to A minor, and then A minor to C, and then F to C. 1, 2, 3 on the C, F to C, 2, 3, 4, F, F. Tricky to count these. C, and then we got okay, so let's go through verse 2 again, but first we'll go through that little 6/4 section at the end. So we have a C chord, and then a little riff. 1, 0, 2, 2, 2, 1. So it becomes like an A minor chord there. And then a C chord, 2, 0, and then hit these bottom 2. There's a little chord there, so it ends up being. To the G, A minor, another A minor, then verse 3, G again, A minor, then A minor, C, F, C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we got this riff in 6/4. So let's check out verse 4 here. 2, 3, 4. A minor C, F C. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Now C to A minor. And C. Verse 5, G, A minor, C, F, C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. C, A minor, C, G, kind of stop on that G. So your outro is that 2, 0, open O. Do 3 little sets of that, and then you do that little chord. Okay, so let's go over the intro again. So we got. So once again, that is the G string 2, going to the little string open, and then second string back to the first string. So that's one of your patterns there. You're going to do 4 of those patterns. 2 for the intro, 2 for the verse. So verse starts right there. Then we have this D shape. 0, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3. We do that twice. 2, 3, and. Okay, and then let's go to the 2, 4, 5, 4, 2, 4, 5, 2. Let's try that. 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to have the F shape to the C shape. That's 2, 1, 1 and 0, 1 open. So we got 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. Okay, then we're going to add this riff to it. So it's a little riff. 1, 0, 1, 0, and then the same strumming we did for that little top of the C chord there, that 0, 1, 0 there. So let's go from here again. C chord, riff, C chord, F, C chord, riff, and then we have the 3, 2, then C with the 3-2. C, A minor, C, and end with D. And this last little bit. So once again, let's go from the F shape, F to C with a little riff. And then C again. Let's try that. 2, 3, 4. Okay, then we got the new part that's going to have the 3 and the 2 coming in. 3, 4. C. And then we're going to have the C, A minor, C. So let's try that. 3, 4, C, A minor, C. And then we have this last D thing. Let's try that. 3, 4. And then this last part. Let's try the 2, open, 4, open, 5, open, 4, open, and chord. 3, 4. Okay, and the rest is just playing along. Like I said, the strum is like 1, 2, and 4, and. As a basic thing, and then mix it up, do your own kind of strums, add stuff to it and everything. But that intro is a lot of fun. You got to watch out for the 6/4 measures here and there. So take a look at the tab. The rest of it just changes a lot as it goes. That one other riff was. So that was just kind of a way I used some of those notes to go from that C chord change into the, kind of moves into the A minor and back to the C. So. And it resumes. So anyway, great song by Simon and Garfunkel from way back in the day, Sounds of Silence. Hope you enjoyed that. Check out the tab, like I say. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Welcome to Damon's Baritone Uke Joint. We'll see you soon.